gun trafficking is another giant part of the equation and part of the problem down there, as far as the amount of munitions, weapons, and now we were also getting tradecraft material from conflict zones outside of Mexico. So weaponized drones. The first time we saw some of those weaponized drones was in Syria, and like a few weeks later, grenades were being dropped on the roofs of some public officials' building.
The cartels are using drones?
Yeah, that's been going on for a while. There's a place in Michoacan that has some pretty interesting videos, and the interesting part of it is because the federal police down there are actually working hand in hand with a United Carteles Unidos group, which is basically the local cartels, to try and fight off the new generation cartel moving into Michoacan. So even the federal forces are fighting with the cartels to try and keep this larger cartel out. And there's videos of these civilian drones basically dropping explosives. They found some explosive testing ranges out there that are basically replicating stuff that you would see the IRA use during the troubles out there, from homemade mortars. IEDs have been used in Mexico. Not that much, but they're making like a presence again. We don't have a lot of ordnance around like Iraq, but we do have a big mining industry down there. So mining explosives of all kinds are pretty easy to get. So you start seeing that. And also, there's some exotic weaponry coming in from the south now and from the ocean. That some of it is probably U.S. Military equipment sold to various South American governments that are now not as stable as they were, and they're kind of making their way into black markets. So a lot of those 50 cal and vehicle-mounted technical type machine guns, and some of the RPGs and man-pads or remote-controlled guided missiles that have been found in cartel hands are probably making their way up from down south.